Cafe DC, a snapshot of the personalities shaping US policies. Informal.
Why you're retiring at such a young age? You've been married for 43 years.
And that's kind of a record in politics.
Yeah. Can we technically call you a Pakistani-American congressman?
You're right, I was born in Karachi.
I mean, my wife and I have differences. She's wrong a lot of the time, but...
You're not.
Personal.
My father, he beat my mother, he would beat me, and we had a very difficult life.
I had serious head injuries that they told my wife I probably wouldn't make it through the night.
We were staying at the same hotel.
That's right.
Reagan came over and he put his arm around me and he said, "Miss Kelly, your son is one of the brightest young men we have."
Newsy.
What's the sentiment there on Israel? I mean, are they going to attack Iran? Why this change of heart? Case of Dr. Afridi. Did you make the right decision if it's not classified?
I don't know about that. That's impossible. I'm going to duck that question.
VOA Urdu's news show with Faiz Rahman. Cafe DC.